So if we talk about AI agents and N8N together, basically the value here and why this is extremely valuable for companies as well as for personal workflow if you use it very strategically is because of how it can automate with artificial intelligence and streamline so much work. So what do I mean by that? Well, imagine you want to set up like a super smart workflow that involves any type of AI. So that can be any type of AI using a chatbot, running a text classifier as we're going to do, or even making predictions based on data. You can do that as well. With N8N, you can essentially integrate AI services that make them work in a workflow along with all of your other apps. And so you can see like we have all these different types of templates, like pulling data from services, joining different data sets, preparing data. These, they're all these templates aren't very complex. What we're going to build will be much more complex than most of these templates. It's not going to be like crazy or anything, but you'll see that there's more to it. Like if we were to click, by the way, it's okay if you're going to see different templates than me, because this is just pulling up data of what's trending or featured, and I'm sure this could be very different by the time you're watching the video. All right, but just so you see that there are different ones. So that's really what it is. N8N for AI agents. You can have a chatbot that answers customer questions on your website. You could build this here. When it gets a question, the AI agent can automatically log the query into a Google Sheet for you. You can depending on the classification, N8N can essentially take different actions like sending an email to the team, tagging conversations, hooking it up in Slack, whatever you want to do. All right. So I think that should give you an idea. We've basically already talked about it. Here I am back, by the way, in the dashboard for the workflow. But yeah, we've already talked about it. So I think it's enough with the yappening. Let's get to the happening. In the next lesson for realsies, let's get started building out this powerful workflow and automate an AI agent that can run our email system for us and hook up events to our Google Cal, run automated responses on messages depending on who's writing us, or the label of the type of person, or the type of classification of the type of email. And I'm going to show you all of this in the following videos as we get started together. So that's it. See you in the next lesson.